আজকে আমরা ক্যামব্রিজ বুক 11 এর টেস্ট 3 থেকে স্পিকিং পার্ট 1 এ যতগুলো প্রশ্ন এসেছে সবগুলোর আমরা অ্যান্সার করব। তাহলে আমরা শুরু করছি। আমরা প্রথম যে প্রশ্নটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে যে হোয়াট টাইপস অফ ফটোস ডু ইউ লাইক টেকিং? ওকে, তো এটার অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে আই প্রিফার টেকিং ফটোস অফ ল্যান্ডস্কেপ, কালচারাল ইভেন্টস, everyday life scenes. These photos capture the essence of our rich cultural heritage and the vibrant colors of our festivals. I enjoy documenting these moments because they reflect the diversity and beauty of our country. Additionally, I find joy in preserving these memories for future generations to appreciate our cultural identity. আমাদের দ্বিতীয় নম্বর যে প্রশ্নটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে what to do you do with photos you take? Great. So answer হচ্ছে the photos I take serve multiple purposes. I often share them with family and friends to share experiences and memories. I use them to create album or digital portfolios, preserving moments that are dear to me. Moreover, I sometimes contribute my photos to local publications or online platforms to showcase Bangladesh's culture and beauty to wider audience. আমাদের তৃতীয় নম্বর যে প্রশ্নটি সেটি হচ্ছে when you visit other places do you take photos or buy postcards? When visiting other places, I prefer taking photos rather than buying postcards. Photography allows me to capture personal experiences and unique perspectives that postcards may not capture. Through my own lens, I can document the moments I found most meaningful and memorable. Additionally, taking photos enables me to connect more deeply with the places I visit and to preserve my own perspective of those experiences. আমাদের চতুর্থ নম্বর যে প্রশ্নটি সেটি হচ্ছে do you like people taking photos of you? Personally, I am comfortable with people taking photos of me, especially in social or celebratory context. Photography is often seen as a way to commemorate special occasions and foster connection with others. As such, being photographed is a natural part of our social interactions and cultural traditions. However, I appreciate when people ask for consent before taking my photo as it respects my privacy and allows me to feel more comfortable in front of the camera. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and like the videos